Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about extension function in Kotlin. What is exactly the extension function in Kotlin? It is a way of extending existing classes with new functionality without using inheritance or other utility classes. Now I have created Kotlin project in IntelliJ IDEA. So let me try to run the code. Now you can see the output in the terminal. So let me remove the another code. Let me put the readline function at the end of the main function in order to keep the program running. Let's write the extension function for the string. Before writing the extension function for the string, I have to take out the string inside from the print line and into the new variable. Then we name it hello world, and then cut the string and then paste it. Then we put the hello world variable inside the print line as a parameter. Now you can see when we put the dot operator behind the string variable, you can see the built-in function for the string, like uppercase and lowercase. We choose the uppercase, which change the string to uppercase or the character. Now you can see in the terminal. So what we want to create is we want to take out the white space from the string, but we don't have that kind of function. So we have to build by ourselves. So let's create a new extension function for the string. In order to write the extension function for the string, we have to write the function keyword first, and then the string class, and then put dot operator. Next, we have to put the function name, that is remove space. Like normal function, we put parentheses and the curly brace. Right now, we have to use this keyword to refer the string that we want to modify. Then we have to return the string back. So we have to put the return type behind the function. Then we type this dot replace. The old value is white space, we put the white space, and the new value is blank. We just put the double quotation marks. So now we try to test the extension function. So we write the print line and the hello, and then when we put the dot operator, we can see the remove space function in the code suggestion. So now we choose it and then remove space, and then when we run the program, then you can see the hello world without a space in the second line. So we have done writing extension function for the string. Next, we will create extension function for the integer. So we create new variable number, type is integer, and then we put the value 2. So let's write print number function. Number is we use a string interpolation. Then run it. Now you can see the number is 2. Now I will put the curly brace. Then we take a look at the built-in function for the number. And you can see the lot of bit function for the integer, but it doesn't have square function. So we will create a new square function. So now this time we will create a new file. We don't put the extension function in the same file in order to keep the code clean. I name it as number extension function, then choose the file. So when we choose the file, this new file doesn't come with a class template. So let's write the function extension. So we start with the function, and then we put integer int, and then dot operator. Then we name square as a function name. Then we put the parentheses and the curly braces. Then we write the return keyword, and then this multiplying by this. Then we have to put the return type int. Then we will test the extension function from the main. Then we write the print line and the number. The number square is, and then we put the string interpolation keyword, and we have to put the curly brace first. Then we call the number dot square. Then we run it. Then you can see number 2 square is 4. So let's change the number 2 to 5 and then run it again. Then you can see number 5 square is 25. Okay, so this is the extension function without the parameter. After that, now I will create the power function which accepts the parameter. So we use int dot and then power of, and then parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we accept the parameter as the name is exp, and then the return type is integer. So now I create the result as a buffer variable assigned as 1 because we have to multiply by the exponential type. So we write the for loop, and then there is I inside, then 0 until 2 is exp, the parameter exp. Then inside the for loop, we assign the result and then multiply by result and this. Then assign it back to result. After the loop finish, then we return the result. So now we go back to the main and then we test it, the power function. So we write the print ln. Then we write the number of power 3 is, and then we use string interpolation. Then we call the number of power of. So we use power 3, so we put the parameter value as 3. Then we run the program. Then you can see the 2 of power 3 is 8. So let's start the program. Then remove the print line, print ln, because I write the wrong English. Let's write new print ln function, and then we want to print the 2 power something, so that we have to put the number variable and then the power. Then the 3 is, we use string interpolation. Then we record the number dot power of the exponent parameter is 3. Then we will take out the power variable. So we create new variable as a power, and then we assign it to 3. And then we use the power variable instead of 3. Then we run the apps. And you can see the 2 power 3 is 8. Then we change the power value 3 to 4, and then we run it again. So now you can see 2 power 4 is 16. So that is correct. So that is all for now. I hope you will enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.